Jeff, good to see you.
Bryce,
how you
hi.
doing today, man?
Great to be in your kitchen.
Oh, I think I'm in your kitchen today.
It's our kitchen.
All right, our kitchen. Well, welcome to our kitchen, everybody.
Today we are making garlic chicken. I believe this is Paul Markovich's recipe.
Okay,
Yes.
then.
A whole head of garlic for
Delicious.
a pound of chicken.
Okay.
I believe garlic's pretty good for us.
Yeah, I mean, aside from tasting delicious, right? I've heard it's a prebiotic for gut health, right? So it keeps your kind of tummy nice and good.
Nice. And I love this because, as you know, we're both innovators. Cooking is really innovation. It's about creativity. It's about experimentation.
Part of the joy is making it your own too.
Agreed.
So let's dive in.
So we've seared the chicken. So now we're going to add some garlic. This recipe calls for a lot of garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. And we'll get this going.
Great, you can just smell that coming off the pan.
Okay, and then we're going to put the chicken back in here. And then, as soon as I do that, we're going to put the thyme in. Beautiful.
All right. That smells delicious. There's our post-workout anti-inflammatory right here.
Nice.
Yeah, right on top of the chicken?
Right there.
Excellent. Oh, you can even smell that more when it hits the chicken, it starts to come off.
Last, tempting to drink it, but we need the wine to put in.
Oh, okay. So I left some for you.
All right, thank you.
I told you I've been here a while, so you see the status of the wine bottle.
Good that you got us start here.
There you go. Oh, now we're talking. Now we're cooking with gas.
Excellent. All right, Bryce, so we're gonna let this simmer for about 20-25 minutes.
All right.
So we can move on to something else.
I hate to wait, but what should we do? Maybe have another glass of wine or make a salad?
Let's do both.
Sounds great to me.
Delicious.
That's delicious. Nice selection, Jeff. And I understand that our salad is going to be entirely from your garden.
It is. I picked all of these this morning.
One of the really great things about gardening is you get the fresh fruits and vegetables, the whole foods right out of the garden, right? So all the minerals and vitamins, and more importantly, taste is just right there.
You and I are fortunate we have the ability to have some gardens, but you could grow these in pots.
Absolutely.
You know, in a kitchen, in a window.
Yeah, I mean, plenty of times we've just had, my wife and I have had like balcony gardens, which is little pots. Well, Jeff, I think we're ready for the last part of our creativity in the kitchen, which is assembly and presentation, right? So part of it is the display, the art. We talked about the taste, we talked about the smell, now we talked about seeing, right? With our eyes and seeing all these great colors, the reds and greens and the oranges, just making a wonderful experience.
Well done.
All right.
Great creation here.
Likewise. That hits the spot.
That's delicious. Thank you, my friend.
All right.
Cheers to creativity and innovation and great nutrition.
That sounds great to me.